Welcome to Practice Easy English. Everyday English verbs with examples. Abide. Follow. Do we need to abide by the rules? Yes, we must follow them. Acknowledge. Admit. Did she acknowledge her mistake? Yes, she admitted it. Anticipate. Expect. Do you anticipate any delays? Yes, I expect some. Assume. Guess. Did you assume it was correct? Yes, I guessed it was right. Clarify. Explain. Can you clarify this point? Yes, I'll explain it. Commence. Start. When will the meeting commence? It will start at 10 a.m. Elaborate. Give more details. Can you elaborate on your idea? Yes, I'll give more detail. Justify. Defend. Can you justify your decision? Yes, I can defend it. Mitigate. Reduce. Can we mitigate the risks? Yes, we can reduce them. Negotiate. Discuss. Did you negotiate a better deal? Yes, we discussed it. Optimize. Improve. Can we optimize our process? Yes, we can improve it. Perceive. See. How do you perceive this issue? I see it as a challenge. reinforce, strengthen. Will training reinforce my skills? Yes, it will strengthen them. Emphasize, stress. Did he emphasize the deadline? Yes, he stressed it. Augment, increase. Can we augment our savings? Yes, we can increase them. Compile, collect. Did you compile the data? Yes, I collected it. Comply, obey. Do we need to comply with the rules? Yes, we must obey them. Delegate, assign. Should we delegate tasks to the team? Yes, let's assign them. Ensure, make sure. Did you ensure the doors are locked? Yes, I made sure. Implement, apply. Did they implement the new policy? Yes, they applied it. Incorporate, include. Should we incorporate your feedback? Yes, include it. Instigate, initiate. Did she instigate the changes? Yes, she initiated them. Sustain, maintain. Can we sustain our progress? Yes, we can maintain it.